Let's explore how to create lights that change colors on their own. In this project, you'll learn how red, green, and blue lights can mix to create different colors. The program uses a special function called seterg. It sends different brightness levels to the red, green, and blue LEDs. We start by setting a variable called switchDelay, which controls how fast the colors change. Inside the forever loop, the program switches between 3 color combinations. Each color stays on for a short time, then the next one appears. This helps you see how mixing light works and how new colors are created. By watching the colors switch one after another, you can learn how red, green, and blue blend together to make different effects. Try adjusting the delay or changing the RGB numbers to make your own color patterns. Even small changes can create completely new looks. So feel free to experiment and discover your favorite combinations. Now, let's dive in and make your color-changing lights come alive. It's time to bring your colors to life.